so beautiful, something that you need to do sometime in your life to make it on your bucket list or something. Aloha, good morning. We are on our way up the mountain to, what is it called? Manoa Falls. Yeah. So, wish us luck. Is amazing. I mean, there are no words. Like, I'm speechless. It's so beautiful.
Humble. Very humbling.
Very humbling. Ah, oh, it's amazing. We made it to the falls. I'm dripping sweat. The falls. Amazing. It is breathtaking. It is so beautiful. Something that you need to do sometime in your life to make it on your bucket list or something. It's awesome. We're going to enjoy the view a little bit longer and then head back down. We are going to sit here and enjoy the last Hawaiian sunset that we're going to see. We had a great day at the Manoa Falls. It was very exciting. A little sore. My body's a little sore. A lot sore. Yeah. Typical of me. I slipped and I fell. But I'm here. I made it alive. So it was very exciting. It was fun. It was beautiful, breathtaking.
Awesome.
Humbling.
Very.
So we're just gonna sit here and enjoy ourselves. Mahalo for watching. Aloha.